Hello, everyone. This is Matthew K. Thomas, and I am here to just go through the textbook that has been released for the year 2023-24, right? And the textbook, if you see, is basically made from the reduced syllabus post-COVID. So the syllabus again has been reduced drastically. We were expecting a new textbook to be launched by the CBSE in the year 2023, but unfortunately, the NCERT is still not ready with the new textbooks. So the 2023-24 syllabus pertains to the same as what we were doing post-COVID. So the new textbook is released. I have a copy of this, and I'm going to show you the contents of this and compare what was there in the previous textbooks as now. So this is all the reprints that has happened, and this is the revised edition which happened in October 2022. The CBSE has said that the NEP curriculum will not be enforced this year, so we may have to wait for another year or so, or probably more, for the NEP curriculum to be released officially by CBSE. As of now, the textbook that is released for this particular year, 2023-24, pertains to the syllabus that we were already doing. And as I said, the syllabus has been drastically reduced, which becomes a much easier task now to cover the whole course, because most of the tough portions of class 10, whatever there was, has been removed. So if I just compare this quickly, if I go to the real numbers, the Euclid's division lemma is totally missing from this. So Euclid division lemma and the problems based on the Euclid's division problems that were there, that has been totally deleted. That was in the first book. And the other topics, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic is there, and revisiting irrational numbers is there. But the decimal expansion part is not there. So there was an exercise on revisiting rational numbers and the decimal expansion. So the rational part is cut. They are having only the irrational numbers now, right? So almost 50% of chapter 1 is deleted. If I look through polynomials, the meaning of zeros and the relationship between zeros and coefficients is there. But what is missing here is the division algorithm, which is totally missing. That means that exercise based on division of one polynomial by the other, and the algorithm based questions are totally deleted. If I look at linear equations, they have given only graphical substitution and elimination. So there is no mention of the cross multiplication method, and equations reducible to linear equations. Also, there was one exercise that has been deleted. So again, a lot of deletion in linear equation. So quadratic is almost intact. There is no major deletions as such. In fact, only the cross multiplication method, which has been deleted for a number of years, that is not there. So that is still not there. The other course is as such. Arithmetic progressions also, I don't find any change. The full course is there. The full chapter is almost covered here. Triangles, 50% is deleted. That was used to be one of the tough chapters in class 10. But here we find that only similarity of triangles and the criteria of similarity is mentioned, which means that the second part of the chapter based on area of similar triangles, ratio of areas of similar triangles, that theorem and the questions based on that. And similarly, Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem is totally missing out from triangles. So about 50% reduction here. Coordinate geometry, we find distance formula and section formula, but we don't find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is totally missing. So that part is deleted. Introduction to trigonometry, chapter 8, we find that complementary angles is missing. So we don't have to do any angles complementary, only specific angles. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 has to be done. Heights and distance is intact. In fact, it was a very short chapter, only one exercise. Circles is intact. There is no change. The tangents, and again, it was a small chapter, so that's there. What we find is that the construction chapter, which was earlier there, has been totally deleted. It was deleted last year also. So that part is not there at all. So it used to be chapter 11. Now chapter 11, you'll find areas related to circles. Areas related to circles, again, drastic reduction. Only they have mentioned area of sector and segment, whereas the part of area of combination of plane figures is totally missing. So that exercise which had combinations of plane figures is totally missing. So that is not there. If you look at surface area volume, surface area of combination and volume of combination is there. So what is deleted is the conversion of solids from one shape to the other. And of course, frustum of a cone is also deleted from surface area volume. So about 50% reduction here. Statistics, you find mean, median, and mode is there, but we find that the last exercise, which was based on graph, that is the graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution, is missing. So that has been removed as the past 1 or 2 years, that has been removed. And then you have probabilities, that is intact. So 14 chapters, construction is deleted, syllabus is drastically reduced. So as per this, just like the COVID benefit given in the past 2 years, that is going to continue for this year as well. And at least till 2024, there will be no change. So thank you so much. And we hope that the new NEP curriculum will be released by 2025 or 2026. So thank you so much for listening to this, and all the best for the new session.